Hey, it's Mustang Stampede. Back out here with a Crestliner. I went ahead and washed it down. We fished on the river. Front of the boat was starting to smell like piss. Gonna have to tell my first mates to start pissing all the way over the edge. But anyway, some shit I don't like about this Crestliner. That, I don't know where it went, but it's one of those right there. Or one of those. That one kept popping up and now it's missing. Occasionally all these different ones will pop up. They suck. Alright. I noticed my gas tank had moved over and was no longer on that strap. Again, this is just a 2021, so I've put a piece of 2x4 on the other side. Alright, to get this lovely cover off that's right there, you have these bolts. And they have these aluminum like push-in things that go in these holes. Alright. Yeah, they suck. Nothing but they suck. I don't even know what to say about it, to be honest. So, I think I'm going to try to maybe get... I'm thinking about toggle bolts, maybe. Or maybe just a stud, and then just use a nut and get it as flush as I can to the surface. Because it has 6 of them to hold this in. So it'd be nice to know what other people are doing with these holes, because that is now missing the piece that holds the these were actually screws. I had to cut this one off because it wouldn't come out. Yeah, let's see here. This is what they look like right here. And they thread down into those aluminum things that are threaded. But those things suck. They seize up. They get a little corrosion on them. Then you can't get them out. Alright, Crestliner. Probably got to come up with a better way to secure the back deck. So now, I still have another one right here that I'm going to have to cut that off. And I'm going to have to cut that one off. So, not a real fan of some of the just like little quality type things with a Crestliner. Love fishing out of it, but not impressed with those things. So, if you have any method of installing those, let me know. Again, I'm thinking of just a stud, either welded in there or JB welded in there, and then just a nut to hold the back deck in place. So, as always, thanks for watching.